Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 21st January 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have to become supreme by having remembrance of the one Father, and so do not remember anyone else even by mistake. Question. What should you not expect from the Father, and make effort for yourself instead of asking for mercy? Answer. When you have any suffering of karma through your old body, or you become bankrupt or become ill, the Father would say, these are your own karmic accounts. Do not expect Baba to have mercy for you in this. Make your own effort and do everything with the power of yoga. Only by having remembrance will your lifespan increase and will your karmic accounts be settled. The more love you have for the Father, who is more loved than life itself, the more remembrance you will have, and there will continue to be benefit. Essence for Dharana. First is, remember the Father with a lot of patience, maturity and understanding. When you have accurate remembrance, you receive a current from the Father, your lifespan increases and you become healthy. Second is, in order to claim a high status, reform your behavior. Do not have too many desires. Keep full control over your physical senses. Follow the Mother and Father fully. Blessing for today. May you be an elevated effort maker and make your stage constant and stable with the great mantra of see the Father and follow the Father. Details are, while constantly keeping the great mantra of see the Father and follow the Father, continue to move along in the ascending and flying stages. Never look at others because all are effort makers, and effort makers have some goodness and also some defects. They are not complete. Therefore, follow the Father and not a brother or sister. Just as the Father is constant and stable, so those who follow Him become constant and stable in the same way. Slogan is, do not be influenced by the thoughts of others. Be a jewel who is a well-wisher and have pure and positive thoughts for others. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. In this Avyakt month, stay free from bondage and experience the stage of liberation in life. Just as you pick up physical things when you want and leave them when you want, in the same way, leave the consciousness of your body when you want and become soul conscious. Let this practice be so easy, just as it is easy with anything physical. The Creator can take the support of His creation or leave its support whenever He wants. He can be detached or loving when He wants. This will make you free from bondage.